Hi everybody, my name is Dave Marsh. I'd like to welcome you to this Clareity tutorial. And today we're going to take a look at how to remove your FIDO device from your Clareity account. Now before we begin, I'd first like to mention that because each MLS may have slightly different requirements, the system that we'll be using during this tutorial may differ slightly from the one that you're currently working with. Nevertheless, the functionality is the same, and for the most part, whatever you see during this tutorial, you'll easily recognize in your own system. Alright, so once you've logged into Clareity, you'll first need to access your personal profile section to remove your registered FIDO device. And then from the user details tab, you'll just want to confirm that you actually have a FIDO device registered, which will be verified if you see an option to delete. Now, since each Clareity account is only able to register one FIDO device, you'll need to remove any existing one before adding another. And to do this, you'll simply select the delete link, then approve the action, and confirm that your device has been deleted. Alright, well this concludes this Clareity tutorial. I'd like to thank you for watching and hope that you can join me for another session. Take care.